Hi, today we are going to learn how to create a bot on Telegram and how to teach it to respond to specific terms or phrases in personal messages. Telegram bot is a WordPress plugin that allows you to send automatic messages, emails and SMS based on Telegram conversations and much more. You can use the Telegram bot WordPress plugin to automate business workflows involving the Messenger app. Requirements: the Telegram bot plugin will only work on sites with installed SSL certificates. You cannot use the same access token bot API on different sites. The bot may not perform properly with supergroups. To start working with the plugin, first thing you need to do is to create a Telegram account. The phone number is required. To create an account, you can use web browser or application that is supported for different types of devices. When the account is created, you need to create a bot. In order to create a Telegram bot, follow these steps. Contact the user bot father on Telegram and start a chat. You can look for it by its username. Write /new bot to bot father and choose a friendly bot name. Friendly names can contain spaces. Example: CreativeMinds bot. Specify the bot username. This name cannot contain spaces and must end with bot. Example: CMinds new bot. Your bot has been created. You will now receive the access token. You can find it on the bot father message logs. Copy this token and navigate to the plugin, CM Telegram bot, Settings, API Settings tab. There, in the section Telegram API Settings, you need to fill the following fields: bot API key, paste here copied token. Bot username, here you need to write bot username without @ In our example, it's CMinds new bot. Default sender name. If the bot can't detect the sender's name, then he will use this one. And then click the Save button. The following steps are shown in a desktop application, as there is no possibility to set a bot as admin on the web version of Telegram. The Telegram bot plugin requires the bot to be part of one or multiple groups to fetch messages and interact with users. It can only perform actions if it has admin permissions. So next step, you need to create a new group if you haven't done it yet, and add your bot as administrator. Open the Telegram's menu and click New Group. In the pop-up window, you need to write a name for your group and click Next. On the next step, invite new members to the group. Now you need to find your bot, choose it and click Create. And the final step, setting the bot as administrator. Navigate to the group settings, click Manage Group, Administrators, Add Administrator, then choose the bot and click Save and Close. Now it's time to teach our bot to respond on some definite words or phrases. Rules are the main features of the Telegram bot plugin, and you can create multiple of them. In this video, we will consider responses by the bot on Telegram only to the user who sends a message containing the words or phrases from the rule. So navigate to CM Telegram bot, Settings, Personal Messages tab. There you can find the following fields and options. Restrict to group ID. Here you need to write ID of your Telegram group. This field can contain multiple IDs for different groups. It must follow the format that you can see on the screen, the character minus followed by 9 numerals. Have a note that leaving this field empty will apply the rule to all groups where the bot is set as administrator. To get ID of the group, navigate to Telegram and type /get group ID in your group. Be careful, as Telegram bot commands are case sensitive. In response, you will get group ID. Copy it and paste it to the field. Personal Telegram message. Write here the message that the user will get in response to his word or phrase. Detect phrases. The rule will only run if it does include at least one of these words or phrases. Status. Set the rule as active or paused. Must not include. The rule will only run if it does not include any of these words. Must include. The rule will only run if it does include at least one of these words. Snooze for. Set a number in hours in this field. After the rule is activated, it will snooze for a certain amount of hours before being ready to activate again. Useful to avoid spamming. Execute every. Check it to execute the rule after every certain number of times the trigger is activated. Reset count. Click the button to set the count of execute every to 0. Let's fill the form for our example in the following way. The rule must respond the personal message when someone types words hi, hey or hello. The message must include the words help or urgent, and must not include the words admin or administrator. And then click the save button. Within this rule, you can set 3 conditions involving keywords. They all work in tandem. Let's see how it works with a few examples. Hi, I need urgent help will trigger the rule. Hello guys, this is urgent will trigger the rule. Hey, this is the admin, does anyone need help will not trigger the rule because it has admin. Hey will not trigger the rule because it doesn't have help or urgent. Admin help will not trigger the rule because it includes admin. Additionally, it doesn't have hi, hey or hello. Every tab comes with an empty rule. You can create more rules at any time by clicking the button Add Rule. You can duplicate rules by clicking the button Duplicate Rule and then edit the copies. You can also delete the rule using the relevant button, but be careful as there is no confirmation for this action. All changes, including deletion, are only performed after you click the Save button. You can check all performed actions in the log. To see the log, navigate to CM Telegram bot log. It helps you monitor the bot responses and operation, and in case of errors, lets you understand what is the rule that did not work as expected. The log is also useful for detecting the group ID. Once adding the bot to a group as an admin, it will start sending the content of that group to the plugin. In such case, you can find out what is the group number without using the command line within the group stream. The log shows the information about each action. Group ID, username, message. All group messages are logged even if they don't trigger any rule. Actions. This column identifies the rules and reports if it was processed successfully or failed by some reason. Status of the message and date when the message was sent. You can clear the log at any moment by clicking the button Clear Log. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to create a bot on Telegram and teach it to respond to specific terms. Thanks for watching the video.